Wanna know how to add your website icon in WordPress? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up your dashboard of your favorite website or your created website. Now, make sure you're under HWP admin as well, and just simply scroll all the way down. So you should be seeing settings right here. Now, make sure to select on settings and make sure you are under general settings as well. Now, once you've done that, you should be seeing site icon. You need to also keep in mind that site icon and site logo are different things. So I'm creating a separate video on it. So make sure to watch how to change site logo as well. Now, in order to choose or select it, you can just simply select choose right here, and the requirement is given as well. So it should be squared at least by 512 by 512, and now you can just simply choose the site icon. Now you can just simply choose any one of these or upload files by selecting files right here, and that's it. Super simple and easy. Once you're done with that, just simply select save changes by scrolling all the way down and you are all set. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.